So here is our camping spot for night number 2. Just outside Arches National Park. It's just a few miles that way. And also Canyonlands is just over the hills over that way. Today, we had lots of fun. We did the hike to the license plate arch of Utah. And the sign says 2 to 3 hour hike. And this was like at 3 o'clock. And this was like, it was gonna bust our dinner plans, right? We had dinner reservations. And so we went powering up there, and we got up, it was like 1.5 miles up and very uphill, 1.5 miles back and pretty downhill. So you can't really just sprint it. And we got up there, and I think it was just under an hour. Is that what it was? No, not an hour. Half hour. Just over half an hour. Yeah. And then we spent 15-20 minutes going, wow, damn, what amazing vistas. The white-capped La Salle Mountains were showing through the arch. Absolutely beautiful, incredible. And then we came back down, and we, Monica was tracking commute time, so not including goofing around time. It was just like seconds over 1 hour. And my tracking was for the whole elapsed time. It was like an hour and 20 minutes instead of 2 to 3 hours, whatever. We were very proud, and whew, man, my heart rate spiked up to like 165 or so, something like that. Gotta earn the steak dinner. Exactly. Oh, let me show you here. Where is it? In the first bin? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. Ribeye steak from Skanga Meat Company. These were fresh, 100% fresh from the butchery there in, what town was that? It's on here probably. Salida, Colorado. Monica's been hankering to find like a good butcher for some like gourmet steaks to try out on the grill. So are we doing, we're doing this side up this time? Yeah. Okay. Right. Kind of give it some grilling marks? Yeah. Yeah, sure.
So this is the way we will cook potatoes. Basically put them in aluminum foil wrap with some onions and garlic. And then we'll put some olive oil on it. Let's create a little bowl. Let's just sprinkle a little bit of the olive oil so it's not completely dry. And like then
2 or 3 tablespoons worth,
maybe, depending how much. And then I have this spice rack.
Oh, who got you that spice rack?
You did. And I usually use garlic salt, just again sprinkle all over. And I have this, it's called aglio olio. It's kind of a mix, a kind of spice mix that I really like on these potatoes. And I got it from somebody, and it was, yeah, it's kind of like, there are some cracked red pepper and probably dried garlic and some other stuff like parsley. And then I'll just like wrap it up into kind of like a pocket.
Wrapping it nice and tight.
Nice and super tight.
Filling it both ends.
Kind of shake everything inside. Both ends. Yeah. And I'm using heavy duty aluminum foil because it's just...
So for like simple basic aluminum foil, maybe a couple layers or something.
Yeah, a couple layers. Okay, and if this is ready, then I can like, yeah, okay, we'll see.
Okay. You know, a little bit of scorching for potatoes and onions and garlic is a-okay.
Yeah.
That's why it's perfect to go ahead and kind of pre-cook it in here.
So I put those coals back, right? They are hot. So.
You manage the food, I manage the fire.
Oh, yeah. What are we drinking today?
We are drinking a 2018 Charles Krug Volts Vineyard Cabernet. So 2018, that makes it how many years old?
6.
6 years old. Not bad. Good talk and walk.
Charles Krug is our favorite winery in Napa.
Yep. There we go. Oh, it smells good.
Smells good.
Now, one of the amazing things we have learned about these Yeti vacuum mugs is they are almost exactly half a bottle of wine sized.
Perfect.
There, look at that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, potato check-in time.
Make sure I don't tear
Mm-mm.
the
Foil.
foil, so if I need to put it back.
Smells good.
They need a little bit more time.
Yep. Fork on the potato style.
Yep.
If it's soft, it's done. If it's not, it's not. Simple as that. Oh!
Ta-da!
Ooh la la.
So what I want to do is now season the steaks, right?
Yep.
So I need to separate. So we have 2. And I'll just use a little bit of olive oil just to help stick the and pepper. Okay, so start the grill. Okay. So now in this shade area,
You can actually see the numbers.
now I can see
Yeah.
it, but yeah, if you're in a sunny area, it's just so hard.
For what it's worth, we're drawing at 1200 watts. Currently going into heating up this cast iron skillet.
Oh yeah, I need to put something on it. So I have these onions here ready because I want to kind of grill them at the end.
Oh,
So have a scallions
Right.
as a kind of side dish.
Cool.
Well, it's searing. Where?
And this goes to trash, right?
Yeah. And then you can cover
They are
this.
ready to turn over.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. For 7 minutes. Let's get this one first. Ooh, that's amazing. There's a little bit stuck. So good. It's back.
Whoa, okay, went back to GoPro off.
Yeah.
The splattering oil. But one of the great things about induction is that cleaning up that oil on the ceramic glass top is just a wipe away. In fact, ew.
Right, and now put it on a plate. 1, 2, and cover. Oh, shoot. Put the butter on it.
Loosely tent with foil, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and
Do
then
5 minutes?
5 minutes? Is that what you
Yeah,
want?
5 minutes. Quiet. How much?
But we used 360 watt hours. Wow! That's 0.36 kilowatt hours.
Ooh. Okay.
That means if it's a third of a kilowatt hour, that means we would have enough power in the Rivian to cook somewhere around 400 to 500 steak dinners. Dinner at Monica's. All right. Let's do this.
Okay, let's do this. So we'll see how
video and Instagram is one thing, but I like to eat warm food.
How well the steaks are done. Well, cheers. There's lots of juice around.
The juice I had kind of, I intentionally put the potatoes downhill to soak up all the steak juice.
But you put spices on your salad, so it's good to go. Let's see.
All right.
Oh my god, don't tip over.
You know, the problem is our chairs aren't really,
Oh, Jesus.
our chairs are not really compatible with our table.
Nope. Okay, closer. Oh, we need napkins. Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh.
Napkins.
Gotta say the knife works well. The set of steak knives we got from REI, and that's what spawned the whole idea. Monica had this dream of making an amazing steak dinner with steaks from Texas, actually.
There's no napkin to
you very much.
complain. Not to get napkins.
From Texas, although that ended up, oh, I'm supposed to spill in the wine. That didn't not happening, but we got these amazing steaks from Colorado, so I'm sure they're delicious. And these steak knives, yeah, for REI. Oh, mine's definitely kind of well done all the way through.
But it's nice and soft.
But it's tender. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that's so good.
All that matters.
Well, bon appetit. This is Carl, this is Monica. Thank you for joining us for a special dinner.
Bon appetit. Whoa.